That's right, these used to be baller rides have fallen so hard, they've gone from boardroom flex to Craigslist special. But even with faded glory and questionable repair histories, these machines still offer luxury, performance, and street cred for less than a new Nissan Versa. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Which of these luxury legends would you roll in if you could grab one cheap? Let's get into it. Back in the early 2000s, the S600 was the king of luxury sedans, a $130,000 car with enough tech to make NASA blush. It came with a twin-turbo 5.5-liter V12, making 493 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, wrapped in a pillow-soft ride and more leather than a yacht club lounge. Today, you can find one for $8,000 to $10,000, and sometimes less if you're brave. Just beware. When stuff breaks, and it will, you'll feel every dollar of its original MSRP. But hey, for 10 grand, you can say you drive a twin-turbo V12 limo. And that's worth something, even if the air suspension hisses like a dying snake. Originally priced around $95,000 to $105,000, the Jaguar Super V8 combined old-school British elegance with a modern supercharged 4.2-liter V8, making 400 horsepower. It was the flagship Jag, complete with rear seat entertainment, air suspension, and an interior full of wood, chrome, and posh confidence. Today, $6,000 to $9,000 will get you one. Often in great shape because they were mostly driven by, well, old rich dudes. It's fast, rare, and absurdly comfortable. Just be ready for quirky British electronics and the occasional "why won't the glove box open" moment. When it launched, the E65 BMW 745 Li was a $100,000 high-tech showcase. It had voice commands, early iDrive, and a design that, well, let's call it polarizing. Under the hood, a 325 horsepower 4.4-liter V8, smooth rear-wheel drive performance, and the kind of luxury that made you feel like a CEO, even if you weren't one. Today, you can buy one for $4,000 to $7,000, which is crazy. Until you realize an oil change might cost half that. Yes, it's complex. Yes, repairs are expensive, but if you want maximum German luxury on a budget, this is it. Just maybe don't buy it for your daily driver unless your mechanic is on speed dial. The Audi A8L W12 was Audi's answer to the Mercedes S-Class, and it came with a 6.0-liter W12 engine, 450 horsepower, Quattro AWD, and an interior that made your living room jealous. It cost over $120,000 new, but depreciation was absolutely savage. You can now score one for $6,000 to $10,000, and yes, it still looks like a high rollers car. But keep in mind, this isn't just a W12, it's a Volkswagen Phaeton W12 with more Audi badges and fewer reliability rumors. Maintenance is exotic level, but if you want Bond villain style on a budget, this is it. You know it had to be here. The Maserati Quattroporte 5 once stickered at over $110,000, powered by a Ferrari-built 4.2-liter V8 with 400 horsepower and a soundtrack from the heavens. But the problem? That DuoSelect automated manual transmission. It shifts like a confused robot and likes to eat clutches like popcorn. Because of that, and a few Italian quirks, you can now find one for $8,000 to $10,000. Yes, it's risky, but it's also a Ferrari-powered four-door that looks like $1 million, and nobody at Cars and Coffee will believe you paid less than the price of a used Corolla. Just don't look at repair estimates unless you're emotionally prepared. And there you have it, 5 luxury and exotic cars that used to cost over $100,000, but now you can grab them for under $10,000. Sure, they might be temperamental, they might need a wrench or an exorcist, but if you want to drive like a millionaire without paying like one, this is the cheat code. Which one would you risk it all for? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more high depreciation heroes, budget exotics, and luxury for less picks, right here on Petrol Magazine. Thanks for watching, and remember, just because it costs $10,000 now doesn't mean it forgot it used to be royalty.